In this video, I'll show you how to make Jotform cards. Start by logging into your Jotform account. Once inside, click on the Create button at the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Then select Form, followed by Start from Scratch. You will then see two form layout options, Classic Form and Card Form. Classic forms display all questions on a single page, while card forms present one question per page, making them more engaging and easier for users to navigate. Click on Card Form to proceed. Now you can begin building your form by clicking on Add Element from the left side of the screen. You can drag and drop any form element, such as text fields, multiple choice, or drop-downs, into your form. Each new element you add will automatically appear as a separate card or page. This layout allows users to focus on one question at a time, improving clarity and minimizing distractions. You can scroll through the Form Elements panel to explore additional options and customize your card form according to your needs. If you want to change the visual theme of your form, click on the Form Designer icon located at the right-hand side of the screen. From there, you can browse through different themes and select the one that best fits your design preferences. Once you've finished designing the form, click on Preview Form to see how it will look to end users. You'll notice that each question appears on its own page, enhancing the user experience. After reviewing everything, you can publish and share your form as needed. This is how you can create interactive and user-friendly card forms in Jotform.